For decades, pickup trucks have represented strength, endurance, and reliability. Across deserts, farms, construction sites, and remote mountain roads, these vehicles have proven themselves as some of the toughest machines ever built. Names like the Toyota Hilux, the Ford Ranger, and the Chevrolet Colorado became legendary because they survived the harshest conditions imaginable. These trucks were designed not only to transport people, but also to carry heavy cargo, tow massive trailers, and travel into places where ordinary vehicles simply cannot go. For a long time, one major automotive brand stayed out of this battlefield. That brand was Kia. Known for producing stylish sedans, practical SUVs, and innovative electric vehicles, Kia built its reputation on reliability and value. However, the pickup truck segment remained unexplored territory for the company. But as the automotive industry evolved, Kia began to recognize an important opportunity. The global pickup truck market is enormous. Millions of trucks are sold every year across North America, Australia, Asia, Africa, and the Middle East. In many regions, pickup trucks are not just popular, they are essential. Farmers depend on them daily. Construction workers rely on them to move equipment. Adventurers use them to explore remote areas far from civilization. For Kia, entering this segment meant more than launching a new product. It meant proving that the brand could compete with some of the most experienced truck manufacturers in the world. After years of research, engineering, and testing, Kia finally revealed its answer to this challenge. The result was a bold and ambitious pickup truck known as the Kia Tasman. When the Tasman was first introduced, it immediately attracted attention. The design was unlike anything Kia had produced before. Instead of a simple and conservative appearance, the Tasman featured a strong and aggressive look. The front end displayed a large grille that gave the truck a powerful presence. Sharp LED headlights added a modern and futuristic touch. The hood appeared muscular, creating the impression of strength and durability. From the side, the vehicle looked long and confident. Strong body lines ran across the doors and rear panels, giving the truck a dynamic appearance. Large wheel arches surrounded rugged tires designed for off-road performance. The rear cargo bed was wide and practical, providing enough space to carry tools, construction materials, or adventure equipment. But great design alone does not make a successful pickup truck. True trucks must perform in difficult conditions, and that begins with the structure beneath the body. The Tasman was built using a body-on-frame architecture, which is the traditional construction method for serious trucks. In this design, the body is mounted on a separate steel frame. This frame absorbs stress and impacts when driving on rough terrain or carrying heavy loads. Body-on-frame construction offers several advantages. It increases durability, improves towing capacity, and allows the vehicle to handle off-road environments more effectively. By choosing this architecture, Kia demonstrated that the Tasman was designed for real truck duties, rather than simply looking like a truck. Power is another essential element of any pickup. Without strong engines, a truck cannot perform the tasks owners expect. The Kia Tasman offers different engine options depending on the region. One of the main engines is a turbocharged gasoline unit that produces impressive horsepower and responsive acceleration. For markets where efficiency and torque are more important, Kia also offers a turbo diesel engine. Diesel engines are particularly popular in pickup trucks because they generate strong torque at low engine speeds. This torque allows trucks to tow heavy trailers and climb steep hills without excessive strain. With these engines, the Tasman becomes capable of handling demanding tasks that truck owners face every day. Towing capability is one of the most important features for pickup buyers. Whether transporting boats, campers, or work equipment, trucks must handle heavy loads with confidence. The Kia Tasman delivers competitive towing capacity, placing it in direct competition with well-established trucks in its class. Payload capacity is equally impressive. The truck bed can carry heavy materials such as construction tools, wood, metal, or outdoor equipment. Tie-down points help secure cargo, preventing movement during transport. Optional bed covers protect valuable items from weather and dust. Off-road capability is another area where the Tasman aims to impress. The vehicle includes a four-wheel drive system designed to handle a variety of environments. Drivers can choose different terrain modes that adjust the truck's behavior depending on conditions. In sandy environments, the system modifies throttle response to prevent the wheels from digging into the surface. In muddy conditions, traction systems allow controlled wheel slip so the truck can continue moving forward. Low-range gearing provides additional torque when navigating steep hills or rocky trails. This feature is especially useful when the vehicle must crawl slowly through difficult terrain.
Combined with strong ground clearance and rugged tires, the Tasman becomes capable of exploring areas that ordinary vehicles cannot reach. Suspension also plays a major role in both comfort and durability. At the front of the Tasman, engineers installed a double wishbone suspension system. This design improves steering control and ride stability. At the rear, traditional leaf springs provide the strength needed to support heavy cargo loads. Although leaf springs are an older technology, they remain one of the most reliable solutions for pickup trucks carrying heavy weight. Inside the cabin, the Tasman offers a surprisingly refined environment. Instead of the simple interiors often associated with work trucks, Kia designed a modern and comfortable space for drivers and passengers. Large digital screens dominate the dashboard, combining the instrument cluster and infotainment system into a seamless display. These screens provide navigation, entertainment, and vehicle information. Wireless smartphone connectivity allows drivers to integrate their devices easily. Voice control features allow certain commands to be executed without touching the screen. Premium audio systems provide clear sound for music or podcasts during long drives. Storage solutions are found throughout the cabin. The center console contains deep compartments for personal items. Door panels provide space for bottles or small tools. Under-seat storage compartments offer hidden areas for valuables. Safety is another area where the Tasman performs strongly. Advanced driver assistance systems help reduce accidents and improve driver confidence. Lane keeping assist helps keep the truck centered on the road. Blind spot monitoring alerts the driver when another vehicle approaches from the side. Adaptive cruise control automatically adjusts speed to maintain a safe distance from traffic ahead. Parking sensors and cameras help drivers maneuver the large vehicle in crowded areas. When towing a trailer, additional stability systems reduce the risk of dangerous trailer sway. Before reaching customers, the Tasman underwent extensive durability testing. Engineers drove prototypes across deserts, mountains, forests, and frozen landscapes. These tests simulated the conditions that truck owners might encounter during years of ownership. Special testing machines also simulated long-term wear and vibration to ensure that the chassis and suspension could survive demanding environments. Beyond work and durability, pickup trucks often represent a lifestyle. Many owners use them for adventure activities such as camping, fishing, mountain biking, or off-road exploration. The Tasman supports these lifestyles with a spacious truck bed and optional accessories such as roof racks and power outlets. On highways, the Tasman delivers a stable and comfortable driving experience. The powerful engines allow smooth acceleration when merging into traffic or overtaking slower vehicles. Improved aerodynamics reduce wind noise and increase efficiency during long-distance travel. The future of the Tasman platform may include additional variants. High-performance off-road versions could feature lifted suspension and larger tires. Hybrid or electric versions might appear as the automotive industry transitions towards electrification. Whether the Tasman will become a legendary truck like some of its competitors remains to be seen. Reputation is built over time through reliability and real-world performance. But one thing is certain, the arrival of the Tasman marks a significant moment for Kia. By entering the pickup truck segment, Kia has demonstrated its ambition to compete in every major automotive category. The Tasman is not just another truck, it represents a bold step forward for the brand. If this first generation proves successful, future versions could become even more advanced, powerful, and capable. The pickup truck world has long been dominated by familiar names. Now a new challenger has arrived, and its name is the Kia Tasman.